It's January 2, first ride of the new year. I'm going to do a highly modified version of the Wednesday loop and do it the normal way. Talbot Regional Park, the so-called backyard, be a little bit too muddy for that. So up the trail to mile 4, and just before the trail comes to Moon Park, take the Giesler Street, I think I'm pronouncing that right, and pedal up to Country Club Drive. So at the stop sign of Country Club and Giesler, turn right. So about 1 kilometer, half mile on Country Club Drive, and we'll turn left on Mesa Verde Drive West. You follow Mesa Verde Drive West up to Adams, cross Adams, and it becomes Mesa Verde Drive East. And off Mesa Verde, we turn right onto Golf Course Drive and follow this up Country Club Bike Lane, something like that. Down the Golf Club Bike Lane, comes to Harbor. We've got a nice light and a good crosswalk for us. After crossing Harbor, the bike lane is actually on the sidewalk. It's very broad, but it departs just around the turn ahead, and we have a protected bike lane with bollard. On Merrimac, goes adjacent to Orange Coast College, Vanguard College, and it will take us down to Fairview and the OC Fair. So Merrimac dead ends into Fairview Avenue. So you go 1 block north on Fairview and turn right on Arlington Drive. And we're coming up to the end of Arlington, and we'll go 1 block south on this frontage road that parallels the 55 freeway. Well, so far it's an easier ride to the Back Bay, but I'm not quite there yet. And the frontage road is called Newport Blvd. Going to turn left on Mesa Drive, which will take us to entrance to the Back Bay. And Mesa Drive parallels the southern boundary of Santa Ana Country Club off to my left. So at 13 kilometers, I'll figure out how far that is in miles, about 8 miles. As you cross Irvine, you join the normal Wednesday loop. Well, there wasn't supposed to be any rain, but I'm getting sprinkled on right now. Turning off the Back Bay Trail, we'll go 1 block on Jamboree and pick up the San Diego Creek Trail. Nice view of the Back Bay. I've only seen the Newport trash interceptor running once, but there it is. You're going to take a right turn off of San Diego Creek Trail and pick up Harvard, go up to Culver, which begins our climb. Well, I'm about as far away as you can get, and starting to sprinkle, as you can see by my glasses. So, nothing to do but to keep going. Going up Culver. Got a mile to go to the summit. 1.6 kilometers. I just finished climbing up Culver, reached the summit. And we'll continue, we'll change to Bonita Canyon. Okay, heading down Bonita Canyon. Gonna turn left on Park or Prairie. I know it's a P Street, but can't remember which one. Okay, turning off of Bonita Canyon onto Prairie. Going Ford Road, now we're going to climb San Miguel, continue uphill just past Spyglass, and then we'll go down to Pacific View. Down San Miguel, going to turn up Pacific View, and the rain is behind me or to the south, maybe the southeast. Pacific View to Marguerite. Bottom of Marguerite, you turn left onto 5th, up to Poppy, turn right. We're on Poppy, heading to the view at Ocean Boulevard. Coming up to the view at Poppy, you're going to turn right on Ocean. Not going to stop. Going to catch up with these other bicyclists and chat with them about where this rain came from.